A new report by San Diego watchdog agency says several cities in San Diego County will see their pension costs go down. The analysis by the San Diego County Taxpayers Association looked at costs of pensions in 17 cities. And here to tell us what they found is Lani Lutar, President and CEO of the San Diego County Taxpayers Association. Thanks for being here.
My pleasure, Joanne.
So tell us what you wanted to find out when you started this study.
Well, we started with a study in 2009 to look at the comprehensive costs of pensions throughout the region because so much attention has been paid to the city of San Diego and the county of San Diego, but we didn't know what the status was for all of the other cities, the 17 cities. So we have almost on an annual basis since then issued an update to see where the cities are at and whether they have also implemented some of the reform recommendations that the Taxpayers Association put out when we issued that initial study in 2009. Now, the good news, as you noted, is that we are seeing a number of cities that have decreased pension costs for the upcoming fiscal year.
And we're going to show that. We're going to put that up right now, some of these cities, starting with Solana Beach.
Yes, Solana Beach has a 12% decline. Imperial Beach will also see about an 11% reduction, and Lemon Grove a 7% decrease. A number of other cities also are going to see slight decreases, but at much more modest rates. But of course, what this means is that the cities are going to have a little bit more money to spend for other things rather than just pension costs. And this means if they've had cuts to their services, whether that means filling less potholes or library hours, rec center hours, that perhaps now the city councils will have a little bit more flexibility in their budgets for the upcoming year, which is great news. Wish I could say that that was the end of it, but we also, as part of our evaluation, looked at which cities are going to see increases, and there are a number of cities that will see increases. Del Mar is going to be the one that sees the most dramatic increase, with 15% increase compared to last year in pension costs.
So what did the cities that were able to get their costs down, what were sort of the two big things that they did?
The first thing that a number of cities have done is ask their employees to finally start paying a little bit towards, to have their employees finally start paying a little bit towards their pension costs. And this is astonishing to many people in the private sector to learn that in a number of these cities, their employees contribute nothing to their pension costs. That's finally changing, and you have employees that are going to start contributing a percentage of their paycheck towards pension costs. And that also results in immediate impacts to the city's budgets because they can do that once they're in their negotiations with the labor groups. They can have that adopted almost immediately. The other reform that cities have been pursuing is to have their new employees go into lower cost pension plans. This is also a good thing for them to pursue, but unfortunately that doesn't result in the type of immediate budget impact.
It's more a long-term sort of thing.
But it's still very important, so we applaud those cities that have made those type of decisions to put new employees in lower cost pension plans.
I want to touch on the City of San Diego briefly. City of San Diego is not in this study, but we do know that the city spends roughly between 20 and 25% of its general revenue fund on its pension plan. We got that information from Vlad Kogan. He's co-author of Paradise Plundered. Now, your association supports and in fact helped craft the reform measure that's going to be on the ballot in June. And that really says to future employees, you will not have a guaranteed benefit. This is a 401k style plan. Is that the way your association would like to see future public benefits go, where it's not guaranteed?
Yes, and thank you for bringing that up. So the Comprehensive Pension Reform Initiative, which is going to be on the June ballot for the City of San Diego residents, is something that we are very big proponents of and helped to sponsor. And the reason that we did that is because you have to approach this in a comprehensive manner, not just by putting new employees into a new pension plan, but at the City of San Diego, there are all kinds of various means by which pension costs can go up that have been adopted over the years. And so this Comprehensive Pension Reform Initiative attempts to, yes, put new employees into a 401k style plan, but it also ensures that those employees that are currently at the city will have their pension costs, their pension benefits, that is, based off of their base pay as opposed to all these add-ons. It's a very comprehensive measure. There's a lot more. But in terms of what we'd like to see with the other cities throughout the region, they also have limited options. And so in order to ensure that these pension systems are truly sustainable, we do believe that there will need to be either a statewide legislation that is passed or a citizens initiative will have to be patched, much like what we've done at the City of San Diego.
It's interesting you bring up a statewide initiative. We know that Jerry Brown has talked about that as well. So if we put politics aside, though, really the debate has been framed in this way, that somehow public sector employees should not have better pension benefits than private sector employees. And I'm wondering why we've never asked the opposite question. We know that from one study from UC Berkeley that 62% of all California workers don't have a pension plan through their employer. So why are we not asking the question, why don't private sector employees have better pensions? Why don't they strive to be more like public sector employees? Why are we asking that one question instead?
Well, I think what we used to see in the public sector was that there were greater benefits provided because the base pay was significantly less than the private sector. But what we have now observed is that there has been a significant shift, and in many cases for employee categories, public sector employees are receiving more in not only their base pay or salary, but they're receiving more in their salary and their benefits. And if you continue to do that, or if you don't reform and change the system, then you have a situation in which it's simply unsustainable. And what does that mean? That means that either cities are going to have to keep paying more into the system, and that means less money to provide basic city services, or that people will continue to see tax increase proposals, as we have seen in a number of communities throughout the region. Just in the city of San Diego, it was just proposed in 2010, as we know. So those are the options, and if it would be great to be able to have everything, but we know that that's not a reality.
I'm going to have to wrap it there. Lani Lutar, thanks so much for being here. We know this is an ongoing issue, and we're going to hear a lot more debate over this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Joanne.